Ever wondered how the Balkans enjoy their pancakes? Today we're making Palachinka. Even I am from Asia, but I love the Balkan foods. A delicious treat that's simple to prepare and absolutely irresistible. Let's dive into the world of Balkan flavors with Palachinka, a delicate pancake that's loved by everyone. Start by taking 1½ cup of flour, 1½ cup of milk, and 1 egg. Add a splash of vanilla essence and sugar to taste. It's all about balancing that sweetness just the way you like it. Whisk the mixture until the batter is silky, smooth, and lump-free. Heat up a non-stick pan and pour a ladle of batter, spreading it thin to get that perfect pancake. Flip it gently and cook until golden brown on both sides. Now for the fun part. Spread melted chocolate generously over the pancake. Add cubes of fresh banana. And sprinkle some chocolate flakes for an extra touch of indulgence. Roll it up tightly, and voila, your Palachinka is ready to serve. These pancakes are not just a dessert, they're a slice of Balkan culture. Simple to make, but oh so satisfying. Give it a try and enjoy the sweetness of the Balkans in every bite. For different culture recipe, do subscribe the channel.